How's everybody doing? Another glorious Saturday, and we are live with Star Tender herself, Blue Bobby, with a freshly made Black and Chrome Special Edition award-winning celebratory t-shirt made by the Quas himself, the Jacques. We're live now going, and today's special is Moscow Mule,
yeah.
the Bleu Moscow. So we are here live on IG and also on Facebook. I'm not sure if everybody's on Facebook already.
Hi.
I can't see the comments on Facebook, so I'm only gonna be able to comment on the Instagram ones.
All I'm gonna say is VODs in the building.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Live and direct. That's what's up. These guys always show love, man.
All right.
Well, before we even get going,
Anybody in?
yeah, we got a couple people in. You got a couple waves already.
Hi.
I think the shirt makes you look extra light skinned.
Hey. Oh God.
But we have some great announcements to make today, as well as some great drinks. Star Tender is about to go in today. So,
All right.
without further ado, which one you going to do first?
Started. Let's do the classic. So we did this back in April. We posted the ingredients and the instructions on your page, I believe. We came up with this back in April during quarantine. So during the pandemic, we did a lot of experiment, and this one was yeah, pretty much. So the thing is, usually, like I said before, Moscow Mule are usually made with vodka. Again, anything that is made with any type of other liquor, Bleu Royal can top it, guaranteed. It's gonna be a better flavor. It's gonna have a better kick. All around, all better. Okay, so we're gonna need lime, ginger beer, and a sprig of mint. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this straight in the cup.
All right.
No shaker needed, nothing too crazy. Okay.
So no shaker this time, just your drinks in your cup.
Yes. So these are copper. They actually just keep the drink cooler throughout you drinking it. So it keeps it more frosty and more refreshing. So if you don't, these are kind of hard to find apparently these days. So if you have like a stainless steel wine glass that normally has spritzers, you can also use that, or any other glass that you actually have at home. So we're gonna do 1 lime. Usually it's like 2 tablespoons. We're gonna squeeze it right in here.
These are the angles the Facebook crowd can't get.
Yeah, sorry. Alright. We're gonna do that. So we're gonna do just the traditional one. Once we squeeze the lime in, we are going to add some ice. And we're gonna do about 4 ounces of ginger beer. I'm sorry, not 4, 6 ounces. Apologize. And we're gonna top it off with 2 ounces of the Guest of Honor. And we're going to give it just a stir. Cut a lime. And garnish. just put the mint, just for a little decor.
And that's what we got put first?
That's the traditional.
All right.
Questions?
If you say traditional, it sounds like there's a twist coming.
There's a twist coming. A good twist. A yummy twist. This is for Facebook. Okay. So we're gonna need, again, another lime. I like to use fresh lime, not lime juice. So we cut a lime. We do have a lime reserved on the side for the garnish. We're gonna cut up about 3 to 4 strawberries, depending how big your strawberries are. These were washed. Again, TikTok. We did the TikTok challenge. No worm. All clean.
I don't even want to know about that.
So we're gonna do. These are kind of small, so we're gonna do like 4. Cut it in half. Okay. Again, we're gonna build it right in a cup. So that goes straight in here.
Nikki says, "Is there any way to pass the drink through the phone?"
All right, so we're gonna mash it.
Might have to show Facebook that.
All right, here you go. Ooh. Here you go, Facebook. So we're just gonna mull it down. If you don't have one of these, that's okay. Use a fork, use the back of a wooden spoon, you'll be fine.
In our Haitian community, use your pilon.
Oh, mocajete is what they call it. But
What? Nah, it's a pilon.
so you smash them down.
Nice.
Okay. There we go. For this one, we're gonna put the ginger beer first. These are 12 ounces, so evenly distribute it, so it would be fine. So this should be 6 ounces as well. Give that a stir. Now we're gonna squeeze in our lime. Okay.
ATL Point Blank says the way this is starting, he got this one.
Yes, it's easy. So we got some peaches. The reason why I put the peaches after is because I want the ginger to get infused in the peaches. Peaches and ginger, delicious. So then we put that in here as well. And we're gonna give this a little smash, gently, and splash it everywhere. Okay, pour some ice. Going to guess of honor, 2 ounces.
2.5?
2 ounces.
Half.
1.5. 2 ounces.
Do another half.
No.
There was too much ice.
All right. Give this a stir. Slice some peaches on the side. That one. On the side. Little mint leaves. Just for decor. And there you go. Let's see. Let's put it at an angle so Facebook can see. To get a little fancier, we have 1 strawberry left over. Put that on the side. Right here, and here you are.
All right, so a Moscow Mule and a Bleu Moscow with a twist. Those were the 2 promised drinks. Usually there's a bonus drink.
There's a couple bonuses today.
Oh, there is?
There's a couple bonuses.
Oh, it's a special occasion.
Yes.
We got a couple of announcements.
All right, so I have an extra cup. So we're gonna do a pomegranate one.
Yeah, I guess I'll be drinking that one.
So all we're gonna do is some pomegranate syrup at the bottom, Again, I eyeball everything. I'm gonna do a pomegranate peach because we already have a little peach left over. I'm gonna cut another lime. This one's a bit bigger cup, so we're gonna put a lime and a half. One. A half. Okay. And this one we're gonna just put about, we'll do like 7.5 ounces of ginger beer. Actually, we can do it all. 12 ounces. It's a pretty big cup. Gonna get a little fancy again. We're gonna put some fresh peaches in here. Okay, so here we go, Mr. Joseph. We're gonna do.
This one's gonna be 3.
1. We're gonna do full 2.5 ounces.
Wow, that's nice. And bottles never last.
No, all empty. Oh, little minute, we have an extra. We're gonna sit there. Cut it up. Uh-oh. Gosh. Okay, so we got pomegranate, peach, strawberry. We do a peach pomegranate. All done.
Another bottle down.
Another bottle down. Any questions?
G-Boy says it's his favorite drink, hands down.
Yes, it's good.
All right. We usually go for 30 minutes. There's 8 minutes left on live. We can't cheat the people. What you got up your sleeves?
Alrighty.
Ah. It's a little different.
It's a little celebration.
I was gonna say called Blue Bingo.
Congratulations to Bleu Royal. They won gold. Not 1, 2 gold medals.
2.
2 gold medals.
The people have spoken.
And for Mr. Joseph, his is personally earned. He designed this bottle on his own.
Yes.
Every detail from color, cuts, size, angles. God, the angles. Congratulations.
Gold medal.
Gold medal. You deserve it. Job well done.
So to celebrate and announce the gold medal, Bleu Royal gold medal, San Francisco Awards and SIP Awards winning medals, what we got going?
Okay. So what we did is we're going to build this in the glass. Actually, no, maybe we should do it in a shaker. Okay. We got some fresh lime juice.
Are we going to call this drink No Time for Losers or what?
I mean, I don't have a name for it. I just, all right, you know it's all about gold.
Let's leave it to the live and see what they come up with.
Okay.
But don't be unfair. You got to also keep an eye on the Facebook Live, see what they come up with for a name for this drink.
Hi, Sue. Come on over.
All right, so you're going to explain this one?
So this one's 1 lime and some triple sec. Some fresh sour. And we're going to put, congratulations once again.
Another bottle.
Another bottle. ounces.
Hey, we won 2 golds. Shouldn't it be 2.5?
All right, 2.5. There we go. Okay. That's nice. Bring your shoe. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of agave, put it on the lime.
Blue the animal says you're missing 3 more champagne glasses.
And I'm gonna roll it with the agave on the lime.
Wait, so there's a step I missed. You put
Agave on the lime.
agave on the lime. Huh.
You know, we won gold, so.
And then what's this?
Some gold sugar it is. Since you missed it.
Yeah, let's do it again.
A little agave on the lime.
Agave on the lime.
Roll your glass. That's for Facebook. Gold rim. Straight in. Ooh. Cheers to the Blue Life. Top it off with champagne.
Okay.
Now the pretty thing about this is your sugar is gonna either stay on top or go in the bottom. And it's just so pretty.
Now is any garnish? Just like this?
Just like that. You don't need your garnish is your sugar on the rim.
Throw some sugar and throw some gold flakes inside the drink.
For you? No problem.
Okay.
It's like something.
Let the gold drop in.
There we go.
Nice. Congratulations.
To the entire Blue family, we all put in work.
Yes,
It
cheers
takes
to
a
the
team.
Blue Life.
So one more special announcement.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so yesterday I decided I was going to experiment. And make some Bleu Rum-raisin ice cream.
It's ice cream.
This is
Let's see how that turns out.
let's see how it turns out. We're all finding out together how this came out. So here we go. I'm not gonna lie. It looks amazing.
So far, so good. Blue Stacks. Blue Stacks says, I want some.
Here we go.
My homeboy Malachi says he wants a goûter.
Here we go. It was a success. I made Bleu Royal Rum-raisin.
Okay.
Here we go. I'll come up with the recipe, let you guys know soon, once I've mastered it. But so far, I don't know. I gotta pat myself on the back for this one.
I'm trying to end the live now so I could go in. I think I'm gonna throw some Blue Royal sugar on top of my ice cream.
Oh, you can. Here we go.
Ooh. Ooh. Since that was my idea.
Here we go.
This is called Slaughterific.
There we go.
All right. We had a fun-filled day today. If any more questions, let me know. Put your comments on. Try it out this week. All these items you've seen here. Try them out. Post them. All right, guys. We'll see you again next week. Cheers to the Blue Life.